In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add another dictionary in Microsoft Word. This is especially helpful if you work with multiple languages or want Word to recognize additional spelling variations. By adding another dictionary, you can improve spell check accuracy and make your writing process smoother. To begin, open Microsoft Word and go to the File tab in the upper left corner of your screen. From there, click on Options to open the Word Options window. Inside this window, select Language from the menu on the left. This section allows you to manage the languages used for editing, proofing, and display. Under the Office Authoring Languages and Proofing section, you will see a list of available languages. If the language you want is not already listed, click on Add a Language. A list will appear where you can browse or search for the language you need. Once you find it, select it and click Add. Word will include it in your list of editing languages. After adding the language, you may notice that it requires additional proofing tools. If so, Word will provide an option to install them. Follow the prompt to download and install the necessary dictionary files. This step is important because without the proofing tools, Word will not be able to check spelling or grammar for that language. Once everything is installed, you can set the new language as your default if needed, or simply switch between languages depending on your document. To apply a specific language to your text, highlight the portion of the document, go to the Review tab, click on Language, and select Set Proofing Language. Choose your desired language, and Word will begin using the appropriate dictionary for spelling and grammar checks. This feature is particularly useful for bilingual documents or when working with international content, as it ensures that Word correctly identifies and processes different languages within the same file. And that's it! You now know how to add another dictionary in Microsoft Word and manage multiple languages for better proofreading. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.